Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to configure a router so that it can act as a DHCP server. Now we have this topology where router R1 is connected to switch S1 and we have four PCs PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3 connected to the switch S1. All these PCs will get an IP address from the range 192.168.57.0 through DHCP. So click on the router, go to CLI, you have to say no, then enable to go to privilege mode, then configure terminal to go to the config mode of the router. Then we choose the first Ethernet port of the router. The first Ethernet port is connected to the switch, the this port. So interface first Ethernet 0/0. Then we assign IP address to this port. IP address 192.168.57.1, and we provide the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So we have assigned IP address to this port. Now we say no shutdown. To change the state of this port to up. See, the light says this light has become green, and this will become green very soon. Now exit from here. This step is optional. You can do it without using this command. Now we configure the DHCP, and for that issue the command IP DHCP pool. So we are creating a pool of IP addresses, and we have to provide the pool name. I am giving the name pool underscore R1. Now issue the command network. This command is used to provide the pool of IP addresses. So we have to provide the network address over here 192.168.57.0 and the net mask 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Next we have to provide the default router for this pool of IP addresses. Now default router will be this router, more specifically this first Ethernet 0/0 interface of this router. So the command for that is default router, and we have to provide the IP address of the first Ethernet port 68.57.1. Our DHCP configuration is done. Now let's go to the privilege mode and issue the command show running config. See, we have this configuration. We have this configuration done for this router. Now issue the command write to make the changes permanent, and we are done. Now go to each PC, desktop, IP configuration, and choose DHCP. So it is successful. See, this PC has got the IP address 192.168.57.2 with the subnet mask and the default gateway. Do the same for every other PC in this network. Okay, now test our configuration by pinging from this PC to any other PC in this network. So we are getting the reply, and you can test that. You will get the reply if you ping from any other PC to any other PC in this network. So that's it for this lesson. Thank you.